You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of the book series itself, and then if you're here to pronounce all the names, the character names from the series that are indeed very confusing, make sure to stay tuned. I've got them all. They are pronounced throne of glass, characters, or character names. Here they are. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.